Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is how to become a digital artist in Pakistan. All you need to do is buy a drawing tablet. That is the first step. As you know, drawing can help you in other areas of your life as well. For instance, if you are already a creative person and you can sing, then drawing can add to your portfolio, improve your skill of singing. You'll have to practice every day. That's a must. You don't even need a very expensive drawing tablet. I see many people running after Wacom tablets. These tablets are on the higher end and they're heavily priced. You don't have to buy heavy expensive tablets. All you need are normal to average price tablets from Huion or any other company of your preference. If we compare a digital artist and a graphic designer, a digital artist is 2 steps ahead of a graphic designer. Both of these people are creative in nature, but you can also make a freelancing profile maybe on Fiverr or Upwork and start a gig on Fiverr and add your portfolio, pass a few tests and you're good to go. Even in Pakistan, you can find a very good job if you are an excellent graphic designer. You will have to study about design. There are various books that are available for both the digital artists and the graphic designers. You'll have to see a lot of YouTube videos. There are various channels on YouTube that explain how design works. One of them is FUTUR Future. I think that is a really good channel especially for designers. Secondly, there are other YouTube channels as well, but I would suggest that you buy a few books that are good for graphic designers. You can start off by reading a lot about design. Reading a lot about design is always a good idea. Graphic design can help you broaden your mental spectrum. At a particular level, you will start producing designs out of thin air. This is a really good field. In 1985, the first digital drawing of Debbie Harry materializes. That with the help of a video camera. And digitization, a monochrome formation that later digitized into a graphics program called ProPaint. Art like drawing, painting, printmaking, logo design, designing and crafts. In general, it is an art form that technology can handle. Some people may have a question in their mind that what are the different types of digital art. During your schooling years, if you could go back, the weird house that you drew, how does that make you feel? Did you have good handwriting? So if we talk about digital art for beginners, to start in a medium of expression like art, it is critical to know how your work makes you feel, what you see or draw, and you must convert it into digital. So what are the different types of digital art? Especially with the latest hard drives and cloud storage, it is an excellent idea to store a copy of each, that at a different location. I have an extensive experience of drawing on Krita, Paint Tool Sai and other softwares. I'll add the links in the description. These are basically the softwares that you can use. There are other options available for you that are paid options. It's completely up to you to utilize these paid options. You also have Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator and other softwares. But that is for the professional digital artists and designers. I find it a bit difficult to draw on my version of Photoshop. Some people have older laptops and the software is a bit heavier. For digital drawing, I think Krita is the best. It is an open source software. People can contribute to the development of Krita. In my experience, there is an unnoticeable lag while using Krita. This can well be a computer glitch as well. To summarize, you get what you pay for, and I've also made another video on my Huion H640p. I'll add the link in the end. Thank you for watching this short video. Take care and have a nice day.